My name is Justin Gamble, and I'm reviewing the Cisco Identity Services Engine. We use it to authenticate users to our wireless and to restrict company-only devices to our company Wi-Fi, and for and for non-company computers, we have a separate wireless access for them that's segregated from our corporate network. Managing all of the endpoints for segregating them from the different networks and setting up the policies for that. It was something with searching for or finding endpoints. I don't remember. 9. As I mentioned earlier, we use it to segregate user personal devices from company corporate data, and getting that set up is fantastic. Just small mom and pop companies. It's a major concern for us. We've been having some phishing scams go through the company. Thankfully, we've been pushing a phishing campaign and information to our users. So we've only had one or two actually click the emails, mainly because they looked extremely official. But it's a big focus for us right now, especially with all of the breaches going on. Cisco is an industry leader in what they do with security and networks. No, but we will start. Nothing. It would affect connectivity of authentication, but we haven't had any issues with that. It's mainly been self-generated issues with other components that connect to ISE, then ISE itself. Look. Yes. Very much. Yep. Initially, no, but once we focused on getting it implemented, yes. We use its web GUI, and I use Firefox to connect to it. It's very likely.